Hey, this is Marjorie, and I'm just doing some regular maintenance. I thought I'd stop for a minute and shoot you a short video. So this morning I processed some of the cuy. We're going to have a cuy tasting very soon, and a rabbit or two. And during times like that is a great time to do maintenance on the homes that your livestock live in, and you do regularly want to clean things out and disinfect them. And I'll show you the really simple way that I do this. So I'm going to go out here where it's a little bit harder for me to see because of the sunlight. Which button am I supposed to push? Here it is. Okay. So yeah, so this area here is where the cuy house used to be and will be again here very shortly. And this is all the bedding that I took out. And that stuff is extremely valuable stuff. Yeah, and so basically what I'm using is sunlight to sanitize this. Now they're home. I've also just turned upside down and I've been rotating it a bit. It's not optimal right now, but I try to let it get as much sunlight as possible on it. And then they're little tubes. You can't get sunlight all the way through it, but I've got a lot of airflow going through them just to freshen up and clean up a lot of stuff. Sunlight is an incredible antibiotic, antibacterial. So yes, I also do have chemicals like chlorine dioxide and things like that. I actually don't use that much. I'm really grateful to have it because as we get into collapsing, hygiene is going to become way more important than you think. And as you're watching these videos, by the way, you know, even if you're not growing food right now, you're watching them, you're seeing things, you're picking up stuff, you're learning. You will be growing food at some point in time, or you're not going to be eating. It's that simple. We're in World War III. Famine is absolutely a guarantee. We're starting to see the beginning of it, and it will get much worse. So you need to be growing food. So, just watching this and learning a little bit here and a little bit there, when it comes time for you to actually start doing it, you're going to have a huge jump and a huge advantage on the learning curve. All right. Well, anyway, that's it. Keeping your livestock clean. In general, I end up doing this naturally about every 6 months, at least once a year. And usually it does fall as a part of some other thing that I'm doing. So, for example, I processed a bunch of them. Like, this is a good time to clean the cage. All right, go over to backyardfoodproduction.com. Oh my God, while I'm in this transition of shutting down the Grow Network, that webinar, it's still up. It's still for free. Please go there. I've got to fix things. You should be able to view it. If not, give me a few days and I'll have all that fixed. But in that webinar I show you how to grow at least half of your own food in a very small backyard size space. So I want to encourage you to partake of that. I think we've had more than 1 million views on that already. I'm sure more than 1 million. So and it's been very well received. It's taken me basically 20 years to distill it down into that for people who have no experience or older and are out of shape. Okay, this is Marjorie. I'll talk to you next time.